Dr. Ashima Puri. I'm a clinical psychologist. I've been associated with MAII for the last 7 years or 8 years maybe, and I've been teaching here the generic subjects, which I have also grown while teaching, because it is one institute where there is a lot of flexibility, where there is a lot of interaction with the children, and the students are coming from all over. So basically the subjects which I'm teaching is understanding world culture, critical thinking, psychology. I started doing happiness. It's a little offshoot from the core psychology of, say, memory and learning and intelligence and all. And happiness is such a beautiful thing, because the whole perspective being that if you're happy, you work well. It increases your performance, your efficiency, your potential, and the growth and success is then absolutely taken care of. So, and this course has come from Harvard. So there is a very good blend of the Western technology, Western courses, as well as the Indian philosophy and courses, because deep down, we all human beings are the same. What is really essential is that with MAII and Stratford, they are blending the Western psychology and the Indian value system and the Indian philosophy, and to take the best from both. So it makes the students very, very sure, confident, and also there are so many concepts which they are learning which can be applicable to the professional fields. And that is what is basically required for everybody, because the strong value system is what is required when you are working in the outside world. That gives you the confidence to go anywhere in this world. And whether we have Nigerian students or we have students from Nepal or Afghanis, or there are a lot of Indian students, but they all are the same, and the whole idea is to increase their potential, and everybody is very ambitious, everybody wants to articulate well in this world, and this is the basic crux of Stratford and MAII, that they want to teach the best of both the worlds, the Western psychology and the Eastern philosophy, and blend. So we have like now we are also introducing courses which has a lot of, say, value systems from the Bhagavad Gita or the winning strategies of Mahabharata, and how they are used in the management. And this is only institute which is doing something like this. So you will find nowhere else in the world where both the Eastern and the Western systems are implemented and integrated and synchronized in a way to benefit the individual. Another very important aspect which I have also been doing, and we have a core course or a core prerequisite, is spirituality. So it is the mind, the intellect, the body, the spiritual self, and for anyone to understand this, they will have to come to Stratford.